Freedom are very proud to announce this exciting new two-way personal safety that works with your mobile phone. This truly powerful device gives you and your loved ones increased peace of mind for a once-off low-cost investment. When you're away from home and anything unexpected happens, you're attacked, lost, fall over, or any other kind of difficult situation, you simply find your keys, because this product clips, as you see, onto your keys, slide and push the button, and the job's done. This can also be done from inside your pocket or indeed your handbag. You don't need to take the keys out and expose them to the daylight, as they say. You can slide and push it discreetly there. Nobody sees you do it. Nobody knows that you've asked for help. The rest is automatically done by personal safety. In a matter of seconds, and it's very fast, it sends a link into your mobile phone with your coordinates and tells your mobile phone to send a text message together with, which will tell them that you're in trouble and need help, together with a map of where you are. If we pick up this phone over here and assume that this was one of the phones that it was sent to, you'll see on the screen here a map which indicates exactly where I was standing when I pushed the button. The interesting other factor of the personal safety is it can be used in a second way, so that the person carrying the keys, for example, in the mobile phone, it could be a daughter, a loved one, anybody, you are able to go from your mobile phone and request and send a text to this mobile phone to say, where are you? This phone does not have to have GPS, nor indeed does the receiving phone or the sending phone. This will automatically ask the personal safety, where are we? The personal safety will give the coordinates, and in the same way it will come back onto the requesting person's phone. And not only will it give a map, but it will also give the longitude and latitude of where you are, so that can be passed on to the appropriate authorities if that need be, or indeed put into other maps. I'll pass you to Paul, our technical manager, who will demonstrate the product and explain how simple it is to both use and set up on your mobile phone.
So here's Freedom Personal Safety. It's a small keychain GPS receiver, works via Bluetooth and connects to your mobile phone where the Freedom Personal Safety software works. GPS receiver is very similar to our GPS 2000, can also function as a standard GPS receiver to get GPS mapping on your phone as well. The way the Freedom Personal Safety works is if you get into an emergency situation, all you have to do is slide and push the alert button on the GPS receiver, and your phone will instantly send an SMS message to your pre-selected contacts. It will have a predefined message that you put on there, as well as your longitude and latitude and a link to a map of your current location on Google Maps, so they can instantly see where you are. As you can see, the GPS receiver just hooks onto your key rings. Very easy to operate. The alert button can be operated while the GPS unit and your phone are in your pocket, or if the phone's in the holster, it will still work. Just press the button once and the Freedom Personal Safety will do the rest. The Freedom Personal Safety software will run on BlackBerries, Windows mobile devices, Symbian Series 60 phones, which is most of the N and E series Nokias, the Apple iPhone, Palm WebOS phones such as the upcoming Palm Pre, and Symbian UIQ3 phones such as the P-series Sony Ericssons. You don't need any data plans or any fancy contracts for the software to work. You just need the capability to be able to send SMS text messages. So let's see how it works. After installing the software on your phone and pairing the Freedom Personal Safety GPS receiver, you just run the Freedom Personal Safety application. This here is a demo on the BlackBerry. Once you've got the application running, all you do is you add the contacts that you want to receive the message when the button's pressed. So we're going to add the contacts for the two phones that we have sitting here. And then you can also customize the SMS text message that goes out. The default one basically just says that you've activated your emergency button, and to view where you are, have a look at the link below. And that's it. Once you've done that, you just exit the program and it's all set up to run. Like I said, you can even have your phone in the holster or in your bag and it will still work. So all I need to do now, say if I got into trouble, if I was attacked or I had fallen over and hurt myself and couldn't actually pull my phone out and use it, all I need to do is slide the button and push it in on the GPS receiver, and in a few seconds it will send a SMS text message to both of these phones giving a link to my current location, and one of them is coming in now. So just go to the top. As you can see, it says same message as what was on my phone. I activated my emergency button, and that's the message coming in on the other phone. Then on here you can see at the bottom there's a link to Google Maps. Just click on there, get the link, and give it a few seconds to load up. And it shows the person receiving the message exactly where you are on a map in Google Maps. So from this they can see exactly where you are, or they could use Google Maps or other navigation software such as TomTom to be able to navigate directly to your position. I'll just show you quickly on the Nokia as well. The text messages will obviously go through to any phone capable of receiving text messages, and the links will work on any phone that has a internet browser built in, which is most of them nowadays. And again, let's give it a few seconds. And this one even shows you on Google Maps the exact number and the road name there. And again, it's showing my exact position there on Google Maps. So that's how it works one way, as a panic button or a personal safety system. The other way it works also is in reverse. So if you have someone, for example a child, that has the Freedom Personal Safety System on them, you can send a text message to their phone, and if you are on their allowed users list, their phone will then connect to the Freedom Personal Safety, get their location, and send you back a map of their location, so you can instantly see where they are. I'll just show you this working now. So I send a text message to Sonia, who is out in the field with the Freedom Personal Safety. So just a text message here, Sonia, mobile, and all I need to do is type in Freedom Personal Safety, where are you? And I send that now. Give that a few seconds to send. And that's now gone. So any second now I should get a text message back from Sonia's phone saying again where she is, giving a link to Google Maps, and we should be able to see where she is. Let's give it a few seconds to go through. Here we go. So we've got a text message from Sonia. Freedom Personal Safety. Sonia's current position is, it's got the longitude and latitude there. To view a map of Sonia's current location, please click on the link below. So again, we click on the link, go to the link on the phone, give it a few seconds to load up again. And then we can see here on Google Maps that she's just up the road. So this is invaluable if you have children, for example, if they're late home from school and you want to know where they are. You can instantly see where they are any time or day. Again, also useful if you have a company with field workers, if you want to know where your field workers are at any point in time. Just send a text message to their phone and it instantly sends back a map of their location.